What's up everyone? My name is Melody. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a very special guest with me. She's a photographer. She's a Korean drama expert. Everyone welcome CHICHI!
Hi!
So in today's video, we are going to be trying some Korean snacks. I don't know about you guys, but those snacks always look good in all of the dramas.
Yeah.
So I decided to look up some Korean snacks and I bought a box. So let's do this. Alright, CHICHI, I'm gonna have you pick the first thing.
I'll just close my eyes.
Okay, just close your eyes.
I don't know what this is.
Okay.
Ooh, it says fresh berry. It looks like a strawberry.
The first thing we got is a fresh berry snack.
Fresh berry. It is cakes filled with fruit, jam, and cream. Ooh.
That one.
Ooh, there's two. Oh my god.
There's 3 in here. So.
Oh, it's like a sandwich.
It's like very spongy.
Oh my god.
And it has some sort of like filling inside. Let's eat this. So it has like a strawberry filling.
Really
It's pretty
spongy.
good. I like it.
It says fruit jam, but this is like straight up strawberry. It's even pink. It's good though. I seriously liked the cake. I was surprised. I didn't think I was gonna like it because I don't like berries. But it was good. Like, I like how they give you that strawberry flavor, but it's not that like that kind that's like super like hey yo, I'm strawberry.
So the next thing we got is this strawberry cream cheese.
That is a pack of sweet and crunchy cookies with strawberry and cream cheese flavor. Sounds like a cheesecake. Oh, they're like cookies. Like they look like Oreos, the vanilla ones.
It's kind of broken.
Yeah, I just dropped. Oh my god, it's super broken. They came from South Korea, so it's like mega broken.
They're good.
It's good.
Dropping crumbs all over.
Yeah, I mean, they're just like, oh my god.
They're flying all over the place.
They're everywhere.
I'm gonna have to clean later. The next thing we got are these little candies. There's different flavors. They have grape and they also put strawberry in.
It feels like a hard candy. Like, oh, or is it like a taffy?
Yeah, it's kind of like, it's definitely like taffy. It's a nice pink color.
Ooh. Kind of looks like a Starburst.
It's good.
Oh, I like this one. Okay, super chewy.
That grape one was good. Okay, this is a peach.
I've never even had peach before. I don't know what peach tastes like. Oh my god. Why is it yellow?
I like the grape one better. But it's still pretty good. Still pretty good. It's definitely a little bit sour. This one is sour. The other one was more sweet, but this one's sour. You haven't tried the peach one yet?
No, I couldn't finish the grape one.
Oh my goodness.
Did you swallow it?
Yes, I ate it so fast. Guys, I eat candy really fast, okay?
The thing is, I'm not big on candy, so I'm not like doom, so it takes me time.
I'm super big on
And
candy,
I'm
as
like,
you can tell.
I'm really picky with this kind of stuff. It smells like oranges. Ooh, I've never had anything peach flavored. This is interesting.
Interesting good or interesting bad?
I like the grape one better.
Yeah,
This
me
is
too.
weird.
The grape one was way better than the...
This one's extra sour. The
Yeah,
other
it's
one
like...
was sweeter.
Yeah, the other one was sweeter. I like that one better.
Oh my god.
The next thing in this package is...
Ooh, that was sour. Ooh.
What is this, CHICHI?
I think it's the first thing, the Magumi peach. I don't think I'm saying any of this right. The delicious soft jelly candies. Ooh, they're peach flavored in cute pink peach shapes. Is that what it is? Oh, it's like a gummy.
They're like little gummies. They're super cute.
Oh, they're so cute. And they're like real squishy too. It smells super peachy.
They're good. I said about everything. It's so good.
It's like a gummy bear, but peach.
Yes. Melody approves.
I like this one. I like this peach flavored thing better than the sour thing. That one tasted like really.
The sour thing
it was
was
intense.
It was whack. This thing is good. It's like it has like a hint of peach. It's not like an overwhelming
That was an overwhelming, intense, sour taste that's still on my tongue. Oh my god.
They're so good.
They give you a lot though. Like, we have a second whole packet.
Yeah, second packet.
Of the gummies. And there's a bunch of these little sour candies. Like, we have a lot in here. Melu got a really good deal with this box.
I got it for 23 and like a few cents. I don't remember the cents.
We got a lot of stuff for that. Wow.
We got a lot of stuff for $23. So, like, it brings 2 packs or 3 packs of everything.
It's not small packets. Like, it's not little things. They're full-sized things. Like, this is a big bag of gummies.
This
2
is
of them.
big.
And then we got the first cakes that we tried. They're like yay big, and we got 3. It's good stuff.
Good price.
I say this one.
Okay.
This looks adorable. This is the Peprio Skinny Cacao. It's stick-shaped cookies that it says here that you can see in many Korean dramas, which this is true. They're literally on like all the dramas and movies, everything.
Every drama.
Like, they always use them to play games and stuff. So it says it's a pink edition of Skinny Cacao, but it doesn't say what Skinny Cacao is.
That's chocolate, right?
Yeah. I've heard the word cacao before, but oh wow, this is a big bag and there's so many.
Good.
That smells like dark chocolate.
Oh,
It smells like double chocolate.
yes.
And we just ate like a bunch of these before.
We went to a Chinese store and we got a bunch of candy. Woo.
No, yeah, these are good. I like these.
I love this. I'm a big fan of dark chocolate. I love any type of chocolate, so I'm a chocolate addict.
There's like 20 billion in there.
It comes with so many. These are so good.
This is my favorite. This and
Yep, this is my favorite.
I'd say my top 3: the cake, this, and the grape candy.
My favorite are these cookies, the strawberry cookies. What else is my favorite? And the gummies. Of course, they're so good. These are not like the.
How many have you eaten?
I don't know.
I've eaten so many.
I've eaten like 8 of these already.
Because
It's
they're
an
so
addiction.
thin that you could just like get 2.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I've been eating like 2 or 3.
Melu
So
loves chocolate.
These are better than the American versions. Like,
Totally.
for sure.
When we went to the Chinese store, almost everything we bought is chocolate stuff.
Yep. That's how you know we have a problem.
Exactly.
The chocolate life is real.
I love chocolate. And it's just safer. Chocolate's always good.
Chocolate is always a good bet, you know?
Because sometimes the strawberry flavors are not always like the right amount of strawberry, and then vanilla sometimes just tastes weird.
Alright guys, the next thing that we got are these adorable jellies.
The little characters are so cute.
So
It's
cute.
called Keiko Talk Jelly Boo. Like, even that name is so cute to say. It says it's jelly pudding with cute Keiko Talk characters.
I hope it doesn't have like juice that pops out.
Oh, that'd be really gross. And it doesn't say what flavor they are. It says jelly poo.
Oh my god, it's kind of hard to
It's
open.
super hard.
It does have juice. It has juice.
Oh, yes it does. It just came out on my finger. What does it smell?
I don't know what it smells like. Yeah, it's weird.
Oh, ooh, smell. There's like a surface of juice on the top that's like jiggling. It's so weird.
Mine doesn't. Well, it jiggles, but it doesn't have as much juice as she has. She has a lot of juice.
Yeah. Oh my god. This is really weird.
Cheers.
This is like soup. I think it's peach. Is it?
This one's good. I don't know what flavor this is either, but it's good.
Like, it's not bad, but I don't know what flavor it is. And they're weird colors too. Like, it doesn't look like your normal fruit kind of thing. You want to switch now?
Yeah, switch.
I don't know what.
I got this.
Whoa, this
I like mine better.
this one smells like baby wipes.
Baby wipes.
This one smells like straight up baby wipes.
This-
Do you smell it, Melu? It smells like baby wipes.
No, I don't smell it.
That's so weird.
This one kind of tastes like pineapple. Like, there's like a hint of pineapple in this or something.
I think that's what that
Yeah, I don't like this.
is. I don't understand what this is. This is so confusing.
But that one's good
Okay.
though. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you guys want to order a Korean snack box, I'll have the link down below for you guys to get it. It's right there. Click on it. You guys can get a $2 off if you share a link on Facebook. So they literally have a pop-up that's gonna come on the screen if you go to the website, and you can get $2 off. You can get a large box for $23, and I think that's a really good price for all the snacks that you get.
Super good.
So I would say that I recommend this box.
I would definitely see, the thing is, I don't have money, but if I had money, I would totally get this box because it came with a lot of snacks and for a really, really great price. And they were good, full-size snacks. It wasn't just like little tiny candies. It was cake, cookies, jelly, all kinds of cool stuff and different flavors.
If you like trying snacks, just
go for
it.
It's good.
Get the box. Make sure you like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, turn on the post notifications, and we'll see you guys. Well, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. What's up? Hold on.
Oh my god. You guys super chewy.